What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video I'm going to show you how to add colors to your images in Canva. So once you're in the Canva app guys, all you have to do is simply tap on your image and you'll have some options up here at the bottom. Scroll across until you find colors, and you can go ahead and tap in any color that you wish. So let's say I want to add a bluish color to it. I can simply tap on it and I'll have more options here. You can scroll across and choose some color. And let's say I want to choose, for example, this. I can tap on it, and as you can see, it actually adds the color. So whichever color you want to, you can try to add color to it. Now there are 4 colors guys, and these colors will basically change different things in the image. So as you can see here, this one is basically for the shirt, so you can simply change the color. So if I want to give him a black shirt, I can give him a black shirt. If I want to give him a yellow or greenish color shirt, I can do so. Gray, I can do so as well. Second color here, you will see that you're able to change different things, right? So you can give the image different tone actually. So you can go ahead and you can try these different approaches, right? And the final color here, this would be maybe towards a hand. So if I try to give something there, you can see that it's given different tone to the image there. And that's how you can easily go ahead and change colors of images in Canva guys. Very easy and very simple. So I hope you found value here within this video guys, and if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. Hit that subscribe button guys, and thank you guys for watching.